the motor apart to get to the clutch. The clutch came apart, right? No problem. I got a new clutch, but when I took the motor apart, I noticed that the screw came off. I paid it no mind. It cleaned up the engine. Figure, let me put the screw back in there. Notice she stripped, right down here. Booyah. So Helicoil, and that'll be your best bet. Alright, sounds good. I went, got myself a kit, a Helicoil kit. Everything you see there, drill bit, and threader. So today, drill bit, install that. Right, we're gonna stuff this. Give my man 100 grand, stuffing it down. Right, we're gonna stuff that, and we're gonna take the drill and we're gonna drill this as straight as possible. I already did a depth. I'm gonna get it. Once I get it to this line right here, I'm good to go. But it's gotta be straight. I got some WD-40. We're gonna be using some 3-in-1 for some, some threading, so I don't cause no motherfucking friction and shit. You know how that goes. So we're gonna start that up right now. We'll put some gookie in there. Get it as straight as possible. I don't wanna. Am I up to that line yet? No. Okay. Gonna wipe that off. Yep. I think that's where I need to be at. I'm gonna take a compressor, little bullshit thing that I got on the side my brother gave to me. It works. It works. We're gonna pump some air in there, clean it up. Just tap it and try to get it as straight as possible. I'm gonna put a little pressure. Turn it. Nice and slow. You don't want to rush none of this. And I want to make sure that I'm pretty much straight as possible while I'm tapping it. Right? So I'm going in. I feel it gripping. Okay? Go in. Feel it grip. Come back out. Go in, feel the grip, come back out. I'm gonna feel a little tension on this. You don't want to put too much tension on it, just enough where you feel it, because it's gonna stop, because there's got to be an ending to this. Right, now back it up. Now you see on the inside of that the new threads that we just tapped in. If you can see it, brand new threads for the Helicoil to grab onto. And you see that I went all the way down, which I was supposed to. Pretty much done. Now what I'm going to do is clean this off, spray it again. Make sure I get everything from the inside out. and attach the helicoil. Alright, I'm gonna put it in. And, make sure I get all that goodness.
It ain't never, ever coming out again.
Well, we don't want it to ever come out again. So we're gonna do it nice and easy.
Smooth, right?
Yeah, so we don't over thread anything, right? We're going in, going in, going in, going in, going in, going in.
Keep going, you got another eighth of the way to go. Right, check it out now, just give it a little eye.
Let's see. Yeah, that's under the thing. Take a look at that. Look how that looks. That's what a helicoil is supposed to do. Right? Now that we did that, we're gonna take the puncher and we're gonna punch it out.